Tell me a little bit about our health insurance.
Our health insurance benefits are great. 100% of that is paid for by y'all, by Tri-Point. Included in that is 100% dental and vision, something that me and my family feel wholeheartedly, and it really helps.
You know, we've always offered health insurance plans, but they're stupid expensive. Nobody used them, and you never got good insurance anyway. They never really helped you. So we were on a mission when we got health insurance to make sure that we got health insurance that was good insurance that actually did what it's supposed to do. Like you said, the company pays for 100% of the health insurance for our teammates, 100% of dental insurance, and 100% of vision insurance. What about the deductible for the health insurance?
With that comes a high deductible, but Tri-Point fills in that gap. It's a $5,000 deductible, and they pay $3,500 of that.
Yeah,
which falls on the $1,500. Falls on the technician, but compared to what it could be is amazing.
Yeah, and we tried to do the full deductible, and what we ran into with the insurance company is the IRS doesn't allow us to do the full amount, and so we did the legal limit of what we could, and there we have another example of the government sticking their paws in where they don't really belong. Life insurance policy. And that's a $50,000.
$50,000.
Yep. So $50,000 life insurance policy, and it's paid by
Tri-Point.
Tri-Point pays the life insurance policy too. We have long-term disability, and that again is also paid by Tri-Point.